Hi everyone, we are W2G4. In this video, our group will introduce our usability study of the website Snapfish. We will give you a brief introduction of the website and then present our most significant findings with our recommendations. So the Snapfish website is a photo editing tool which allows users to customize and design their own products, including photo books, calendars, photos, bags, and so on. The main usage for home decoration, events, and gifts. The target users are young English speakers in Australia who want to customize things using their own photos. We use both expert-based and user-based methods for our testing. In our testing, we designed 5 tasks. For the first task, in order to test the location of the 2 help buttons, we asked the participants to find the instruction of how to use the website, which is a help center. For the second task, to test if the category classification is easy understood and regional, we asked them to find the luggage tag. Then, to test a return function, we asked them to change the product type in the design process. And task 4 asked participants to design a product and save it in order to test the design and save function. Then, to test the checkout function, task 5 asked participants to remove the cheaper product and choose to pick up near high school. Through this task, we came up with 6 key findings. We will introduce them with our recommendations in details. Our first finding is there is no search function. We observed that participants were having trouble finding luggage tag. They had to check each category to find it. 5 participants thought there should be a search function. This is the participants' reaction in the lab test.
Maybe I'll search, please. Where's the search? Oh, okay.
And as the case plot shown, the sequences are chaotic and there are lots of revisits on the menu, but the number of fixations are very small. That means participants were randomly and inefficiently looking for the luggage tag. In order to improve what we found, our recommendation is to add a search bar at the top right of the website. The picture on the right shows our idea.
Then the second finding is that there is no sample image for each product in the drop-down menu. As we see below, the category is presented all through the literary expression. It is inefficient for the users to find the certain product. Here is the reactions of the participant in the lab testing when he is asked to find the luggage tag. As the video shows, he searched household category randomly and then found the luggage tag in the gifts. Here is the guess plot of all participants when they are searching for the products. As guess plot of finding one mentioned before, chaotic sequence, many revisits, small fixation shows that the participants were randomly and inefficiently looking for the specific product. Therefore, it is recommended to add a small image near the product name to show the visualizations of the product and their sizes.
Our third finding is that the homepage function is not obvious enough to be noticed and used. The logo on the top middle of the website is a hidden icon to return to the homepage. We observed 3 out of 10 participants use the back function of the browser instead of the website's function to get back to the homepage and start a new project. 6 participants used the side menu on the left and didn't return to the homepage at all. This is the participants' reaction in the lab test.
Yeah, I would just go to the menu over there and go to calendars. Yeah, I'll leave this page.
In this video, she did not even notice the homepage icon at the top of the website and just went for the calendar on the side menu. And as the heat map shown, the dwell time spent on the top of the page is relatively long, which means that the participant was hesitating and trying to find a function for returning to the home page. Our recommendation for this would be adding an icon of home beside the logo on the top. The picture on the right shows our idea.
Finding 4. No simple functions allow users to select wanted item from shopping cart and change the quantity. Let's look at this page. There's no icon as a quantity editor, no checkboxes to help people fastly select wanted items. Users can only use the remove icon to delete the item but cannot return it back. According to the response from the lab task, the participants have some comments on this page.
This part, so I know I can click on it, but like, and the quantity itself, usually you can't really like change the number on it. That's like I usually, go online shopping and stuff. They have that kind of setting.
Yeah. So you didn't notice that they have a remove.
Oh, right. Yeah, I didn't notice that. I just went to edit order.
Yeah.
And depending on this heat map of the lab task, the participants spend a long time to stay at the quantity part and try to figure it how can it easily add items. So the recommendation from us is to add checkboxes and quantity editor for each item.
Our next finding is delivery and pickup functions are not well distinguished. As we can see from this screenshot, the area of choosing delivery and pickup is easily to be ignored. Hannah chose the delivery option when we asked her to choose the pickup, and Daniel thought it might be easy to ignore the area where they can make a choice. And let's see a clip of one of our participants' reaction.
And I have to let you know that this is not pickup, this is deliver.
Okay, so
Did you notice that?
I didn't.
And also, according to this heat map, the total time spent on the area for choosing from deliver and pickup is relatively small. That means participants did not notice the option, but they will go down straight to fill out the form. So it would be nice to have a pop-up window that let users to choose between deliver and pickup at the beginning of this page before they start to fill out the form. And that's all. Thanks for watching. We are W2G4.